Well, back to you, Fahim. You know, we've seen those statistics, but I mean, those statistics represent people, don't they? Your people.
Yes. Well, my people would ask, why should you come here, replace the Taliban? Okay, what are we going to lose and what are we going to gain? I would just tell you something from our, you know, the haute couture of our culture. We say in Afghanistan, the وجود غوښې مې غوڅوه پروا مې نشته خو د عزت خيال مې ساته د پښتنو وطن دی. It means if you chop parts of my body, I don't care, but make sure you take care of or respect my honor. Now there, for the past 8 years, Afghans have been watching the mass murders in Mazar-e-Sharif, the wrong bombings, the kidnaps, the killings, the torture, the human rights violations, the cases of Saima, the 12-year-old girl in the north being, you know, gang raped. Okay, we removed the Taliban, but are the people ready to accept human rights violators to be their masters? Are they ready to accept mass murderers to be their masters? The government in the box has the United States, NATO, and their allies, and the Afghan government guaranteed that they are going to be nice people, clean people, proper politicians with clear history, not mass murderers, not human rights violators. How could they accept such a figure to be in the box and come and replace the Taliban?
What you're saying actually is that some of the people that are actually in power now are mass murderers, not all of them.
True, most of them.
Not most.
I would say most. Most
so
in the government.
Be specific as to who you're saying.
Well, I'm not
no,
saying specific. I'm not specific because I'm not going to be specific.
Names at this stage, but
no, if you want to be
names,
specific,
I mean groups.
Well, if you want to be specific, it's very simple. Go to Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, Afghan Human Rights Watch. They have got the list of over, you know, 500-600 very powerful people in Afghanistan, and they have committed so many atrocities and crimes. Now, the people you
so you're talking
tell
about
them,
the warlords then?
Well, obviously yes. Not only warlords, there are other human rights violators.
You're not actually directly accusing NATO.
Well,
they are supporting them. That's what I'm saying. This is the unfortunate thing. Let me just finish here. That the people would say, okay, you bring me school. But what about, are you guaranteeing the honor of my daughter? This is the most important and striking point for Afghans. This is what I say, this is the haute couture of our culture. The people cannot accept. Okay, and then who are you going to be? Okay, the local Taliban, they're not committing. You have seen them yourself. The local Taliban are not that bad. All Afghans would say, this is the saying from my people, from this heart of Helmand. They're saying, okay, we don't want the Taliban, as you say, but we don't want you either. We have seen all the atrocities, all the past 8 years' experiences. What's going on? Why are you supporting these people and bringing and making me hostage for them?
For his view, because I know that you aren't a big